Epistle. Epistle means
full tora. Bouquet. Bouquet means full tora. Bouquet. Bouquet means full tora. Batch. Bouquet. Bouquet means full tora. Batch. Batch.
What are you doing?
Oh, my grandma, we are studying.
What are you studying, my darlings?
We are studying some T silent words in English.
Lamia, let's have some fun with grandma.
Okay, let's go.
Grandma, at first sit here.
Let me see. What do you read?
Grandma, take this sheet and pronounces these words.
Okay. The first one is apostle.
Grandma, it's not apostle, it's apostle.
Do you pronounce epistle like our grandma?
Then you are pronouncing it in a wrong way.
No worries, we are here to teach you the correct pronunciation.
Today we will show you the correct pronunciation of T silent words by this video.
So let's get started.
Bouquet.
Grandma, it's not bouquet, it's bouquet.
Bouquet?
No, it's not bouquet, it's bouquet.
Grandma, it's bouquet. Bouquet means fuller tora.
Okay. Ballet.
No, Grandma, it's not ballet, it's ballet.
Ballet means bele nacher dol.
Bastille.
Its correct pronunciation will be Basel, not Bastille.
It means golmal.
Bristol.
Grandma, it's not Bristol, it's Bristle.
Bristle means ক্ষুদ্র শক্ত লোম.
Butcher.
Its correct pronunciation will be butcher, not butcher.
And it means কষাই.
Chalet.
Grandma, it's not chalet, it's chalet.
Chalet means কাঠের দ্বারা তৈরি কুটির.
Kirsten.
It's not Kirsten, it's Kristen.
Kristen means নাম দেওয়া.
Chasten.
No, it's not chasten, it's chasten.
Chasten means মার্জিত করা.
Depot.
Oh, Grandma, it's not depot, it's depot.
And it means ভান্ডার.
Debut.
No, Grandma, it's not debut, it's debut.
And it means প্রথম আবির্ভাব.
Fasten.
Grandma, it's not fasten, it's fasten.
Fasten means দৃঢ় হওয়া.
Glisten.
Its correct pronunciation will be glisten, not glisten.
And it means ঝলমল করা.
Hasten.
Its correct pronunciation will be hasten, not hasten.
Hasten means দ্রুত অগ্রসর হওয়া.
Hostel.
It's not hostel, it's hassle.
And hassle means তাড়াহুড়া করা.
Government.
It's not government, it's government.
And it means পান ভোজন বিলাসী ব্যক্তি.
Listen.
Grandma, it's not listen, it's listen.
Listen means মনোযোগ দিয়ে শোনা.
Moisten.
It's not moisten, it's moisten.
Moisten means ভেজানো.
Nestele.
Its correct pronunciation will be nasal, not nastile.
Nasal means বাসা বাঁধা.
Notch.
Grandma, it's not notch, it's notch.
Notch means খাঁজ কাটা.
Report.
It's not rapport, it's rapport.
And it means সম্পর্ক.
Rastele.
Oh, Grandma, it's not rastele, it's rustle.
Rustle means খচমচ করা.
Soften.
Its correct pronunciation will be soften, not soften.
And it means কোমল.
Switch.
It's not switch, it's switch.
Switch means পরিবর্তিত হওয়া.
Tsunami.
Grandma, we think you should be attend back to the school.
I will slap you. Stop your mouth.
Sorry, Grandma. By the way, it's not tsunami, it's tsunami. Tsunami means tsunami.
Whistle.
It's not whistle, it's whistle.
Whistle means bashi.
Which?
Its correct pronunciation will be which, not which.
Which means dining. Grandma, she is sitting here.
No, just like you.
Okay, thanks.
Foolish tale.
Oh grandma, how many mixtures will you pronounce this?
You all can do everything. I can't do anything. This will not happen by me. Bye.
Grandma,
Sorry.
By the way,
Its correct pronunciation will be resell.
and it means kusti kora. Lamia, today we had a lot of fun with Grandma.
Yes, you are right. So, let's get back to our real characters.
Grandma, come here.
I'm Tahrima Chaudhary. I have played the role of grandmother.
I'm Roja. I have played the role of granddaughter.
And I'm Lamia Muntaha. I have played the role of another granddaughter.
We hope you all have enjoyed a lot. Stay with us by
Liking,
Sharing.
and following this page for more fun videos like this.
Goodbye.